Hi guys, with another video. Today I would like to we're gonna change this display navigator. This is the Toyota Prius 2009. This is the guy I need to change. It's not working. Let's go and start it. What I did first, I need to take it out the negative of the battery's cable, and after that I'm gonna start to work in case that I don't want to mess up anything, and better to take it out the negative cable from the battery. So let's go and start. There's two one here. There's a screw. We're gonna take it out there. So what kind of tool I'm gonna use in this project, and this is the tool that I will use. The auto trim and molding tool set I have. So this is the one I'm gonna use for the dashboard, and screwdriver, flip screwdriver, and 10mm socket, and then this tape, electric tape. So that's it. And use this tool that just bend this way. See, it's when it came. Okay, pull it and put the side. And what happened now? There is a two screw, one here. Okay, put the here side right there too. Okay, this is here. Then what we're gonna do? Hold on. After that, you just take it out. This one. There's a hold on. Yeah, there's a. I can use this tool to take this guy in. Where is it? Right there. Okay, this is, take it out and pull it this, like this. Let's see. You just pull it and put the side like this. Then after that, we're gonna pull it this guy, I think. Let's see. That. Okay. As you see, after that, you just pull this side, and let it hang like this, and then. Okay. Let's see, this is going. Okay, this. Okay, you're pulling, and just put here, right there. And then after that, this guy, like this, easy. Pull it, Okay, that's it. I think what we're gonna do, this is, we just take it out the cable. Other ones, I didn't take it out the cable because we don't need that. Okay, so let me see how I'm gonna take it out. So, alright, I think somehow we're gonna take it out this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I will take it out that. What I did when I'm trying to take it out, this is the cable that you just push in somewhere. There is a middle plastic, just pushing them and pull it. It's gonna come out. So another thing that this is the one. You just pull it. Ah, come on, lift this maybe. Okay, this is not coming. All right. Ah, yes, it's coming. Okay. Okay. That, put it sideways. We're not gonna manage with another one. This is left. Okay, what happened now? Two screw. One is here. One is here. We're gonna use the 10mm socket. As you see, I put the electric tape here around the hair, and I put it inside like this. That I cannot lose the screw. This is the 10mm right there. Okay, here, one here, right here, the other one right this corner. Okay, it's so simple. Okay, take it out, this screw too. Here you are, another one. So what we're gonna do, I think is we're gonna pull it. Alright, right there. That's exactly. This is the master guard. Okay. Now you're pushing here and you're pulling. So you push here and pull this one. And you push right here and pull this. And another one here, blue, you just push, pull, and here, back there, push. And right here, one more. Pull it. This is the old one. Now I'm gonna bring the another one. So this is the replacement one. It's not new what used, but good condition. Well, how we're gonna put it now? That's exactly how we take it out the other one. Blue here, right here. The next is the other one. Next is this and this. The other one, two here, right here, push, and like this. Right here, okay. Let's go ahead, start it blue, black. Same as how the other one to take it out and put it exactly the same way. And blue here. Alright, the other one. Okay, it's not going in. Okay, it's gone. This. Alright. And this, the guy. Okay. All of them is in. Now it's attached. Then let's put it back to place. Alright. Let's go ahead and. Alright, let's see. Without breaking anything, let's go. Okay. I think. Is it? No. Alright. Now it's done. Alright, this is done, and we can put the screw. Can go ahead, put everything back to same place. How you take it out and put it same way. This is the way you can replace the navigator or display. This is the one. So this is it, guys. So just put it back, everything same how you take it out. Yeah. As you see, everything fine. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.